दिस वॉज मी रात के 2 बजे बीना जंक्शन पर अपनी बेंगलोर जाने वाली ट्रेन का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ, जो कि 1 घंटे से अब 8 घंटे लेट हो चुकी है। और ट्रेन आने के बाद भी ये हिंदी वाला सफ़र 44 घंटे के इंग्लिश वाले सफ़र में बदल गया। आई वॉज फ्रस्ट्रेटेड। But moving on to 4 months forward in time, again, this was me waiting at Bangalore airport, working on my MacBook Pro, excited for my first flight. And the best thing is, I paid for each and everything myself. But how did this happen? How I did it, even after being a first year computer science student. And most importantly, how can you do it? Or in one line, how to make money as a student. So I'll be telling you 3 simple to the point steps which I followed, and money is in the 3rd step. But for that you need to follow step 1 and 2 carefully. And also I'll be telling you the things which you require to start with every step. हाँ, बीच में तुम्हें लग सकता है कि ये क्या है, ये पता है मुझे पर अगर तुम्हें ये पता होता और इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे होते तो तुम्हें ये वीडियो देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो बी पेशेंट एंड फोकस ऑन अप्लाइंग द स्टेप्स. स्टेप नंबर 1, चूज अ स्किल. Explore different niche, different things and find something which you like, which you love. It may be either programming, web development, content creation, content writing, video editing, etc. And the only thing which is required in this step is इंटरनेट. और अगर तुम ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो कॉन्ग्रेट्स, यू हैव इट. नाउ बीइंग एन एसएसटी, मेरी टेक स्किल्स पे तो काम चल ही रहा था, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो ऑन विद अ नॉन टेक स्किल, दैट इज video editing.
With the explosion of the internet, video editing is in our lives more than we realize. And with YouTuber or filmmaker being the top job kids want today, the demand for editors will only escalate. Editing now is like what coding was during the dot-com era.
Step 2, practicing the skill. After choosing a skill, it's time to be serious with it. Make a schedule and allot fixed time to the skill for next few months or few weeks with utmost discipline, and be 100% dedicated towards that skill. Don't just consume stuff related to it. Instead, create something using it. Try doing some projects. और शुरू में don't think much about money. Think about nourishing your skill by getting more and more feedbacks and improving it. And the things which you need for this step are time, focus and a device as per the skill. In my case, वीडियो एडिटिंग के लिए मुझे प्रीमियर प्रो सीखना था, पर क्योंकि मेरे लैपटॉप के स्पेक्स उतने कैपेबल नहीं थे, इसीलिए मैंने अपने दोस्त के लैपटॉप पर एडिटिंग सीखी whenever it was free, स्पेशली जब भी मेरा दोस्त सोता था. तो थैंक्स टू हिम कि नॉट हैविंग अ डिवाइस डिडंट बिकेम एन एक्सक्यूज फॉर मी. नाउ फाइनली स्टेप 3, मोनेटाइजिंग इट. नाउ दिस इज द फाइनल एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. अगर तुमने ऑनेस्टली स्टेप 2 फॉलो किया है तो दिस लाइन इज फॉर यू.
If you're good at something, never do it for free.
Now there are majorly 2 ways to get paid. Number 1, internships. As per your skills, you can search and apply on different platforms like Internshala, LinkedIn, etc. Just apply, wait for response, do some assignments and wait for results. Now the second way is freelancing. Now let me make it clear, it's not easy to start, but definitely it has good amount of money. Now in order to get clients, you can reach out to different Facebook groups, communities, small creators, small businesses in your domains. But don't just ask कि भैया कुछ काम मिलेगा क्या? Instead, show them your work, either your personal best or improving their previous work. And for this step, you need number 1, a good enough portfolio. Tell me if you need a video on it, but it is damn necessary. And the second thing is good communication skills to pitch your work. Now in my case, I did both. Grabbed an internship in a startup and also did freelancing. See, making money is simple, but not easy. You'll need to sacrifice parties, watching movies, even meeting friends. You have to manage school, college alongside, and even at some point you might feel like quitting. But remember, at the end, it will be worth it.